Keto recipe. How to make tender sliced beef, low carb and delicious. Marinated meat. 200 grams tenderloin meat. 1/2 teaspoon Himalayan salt. 1/2 teaspoon dried rosemary. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/2 tablespoon Lakanto sugar. Searing ingredients. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon salted butter. Cooking instructions. Step 1. Dry the surface of the meat. Step 2. Mix all the marinated meat ingredients. Step 3. Place the mixture into sous vide bag and vacuum and seal the bag according to the machine's instructions. Step 4. Place the bag in water into a pot until the bag is fully submerged. Step 5. Remove the bag and boil the water until it reaches 55 degrees Celsius. Step 6. Put the bag back into the pot and simmer for 1 hour at a consistent temperature of 55 degrees Celsius. Step 7. Remove the meat from the bag. Step 8. Searing method number 1. Burn the entire surface with a kitchen torch. Step 9. Searing method number 2. Put butter and oil into a frying pan. Step 10. Sear each surface for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 11. While waiting for the timer, pour melted butter onto the meat using a spoon. Step 12. Let it rest for 3 minutes before slicing and serving. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.